Good morning, fourth graders. Today you need to complete day 1. I think it's week 5 or week 6 for reading. Just do the assignments in your to-do list. For writing, we are working on how to convert your graphic organizers into a nice cohesive essay for writing. If you finish that and would like to go on to the Push Your Thinking, please feel free to go on to the lesson called Push Your Thinking. And then for math, there's a couple of you that were enrolled in a placement test because you finished a color strand. If you see a placement test on your dashboard this morning, please go ahead and get started with that placement test and work on the placement test today. You are to do it independently. Okay, get out paper and pencils and work out those problems in those placement tests. If you do not have a placement test on your dashboard, please continue to work in your current MT and complete a lesson and a workbook or in a practice page. You can also get into SumDog. You can work in Prodigy, any of those things for math. Okay? Have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Remember, if you have a question, I will do my best to get to you either in Dojo or in Kickstand. I'll have Kickstand pulled up all day today, so if you have a question, send me a quick message in Kickstand, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Oh, I'll see you guys soon.